Hey food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to make authentic spicy Maggie in just 2 minutes. Ready? Let's get to it. First, grab a packet of Maggie noodles and break them into small pieces. This helps the noodles cook evenly and absorb all the flavors. Boil 1.5 cups of water in a pan. Once it starts bubbling, toss the noodles in. Now it's time to add the magic. Throw in the taste maker that comes with the packet. For that authentic spicy kick, add a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of garam masala. Give it a good stir. Next, let's add some texture. Drop in some chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. You can also add a bit of finely chopped ginger and garlic for extra flavor. Cook it for about a minute. Now add a tablespoon of tomato ketchup and a teaspoon of soy sauce. These will give your Maggie a tangy and umami twist. Stir everything together until the sauce is well mixed with the noodles. Let it simmer for another minute until the water is almost absorbed and the noodles are perfectly cooked. And there you have it, authentic spicy Maggie, ready in just 2 minutes. Serve it hot, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves, and enjoy this delicious treat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more yummy recipes. See you next time.